going to go over the homepage designer in Vision and also how to create and edit different pages. Before we get started, I'm just going to remind you that anybody who wants to create or edit pages in Vision must have permission to do so. So please have your administrator of the account go into your employee profile, and on screen 4 of your employee profile, there is a permission that says Modify Screens in Vision. This must be turned to a yes in order for you to create and edit pages using the homepage designer. Okay. From the Vision homepage, you're going to notice at the bottom of the gray sorting area on the left-hand side of the screen where it says Page Name. To create a new page in Vision, all you need to do is, from the drop-down box, come down to Create New Page. If you've already created different pages, you're going to see them all here where you can actually click on them and go in to edit those pages. For now, I'm going to show you how to create a new page. So I'm going to click on Create New Page. Okay. This takes us to our Homepage Designer screen. This is your blank slate. This is where you can go to create different headings that you want to appear on your homepage. Okay. So here, you're going to find in all of these scroll downs here, you're going to find virtually every field from every module that we have in Aljex, so that you can create those different fields that will pull from, create those headings that will pull from different fields within Aljex. So if you have information that you want to appear on your home page in a heading, you can scroll down and you can choose which headings you want to appear. If you can use the scroll down, okay, so it's going to go to headings that you can add in for reps and dispatchers, reference numbers, EDI information, customer information, bill to, or you can use the shortcuts here. So if you want to skip right over to carrier information, you can just click on carrier, and it will automatically jump over to the carrier info. Okay. I'm just going to go back, and I'm just going to show you from our drop down, I'm just going to choose my page that I call check calls. Okay. So I'm going to go to Edit Page, and let's create a page called Check Calls. Okay. So from here, let's say I want to create now status, which is the status of the shipment, open, covered, loaded, dispatched, delivered. Those are all going to, that's going to remain, that's hard-coded in, and also the pro number, but everything else you can create. So here, and I'm just going to bring these to the trash, and this is what you can do if you goofed, or if you want to edit your page and you want to start all over, you can always drag things right over to the trash. So I can show you from the scratch how to create a new page. So let's say in our screen that we want to call check calls, we want in field number 3 or column number 3, we want the check call time to appear first. So I'm just going to click on my check call here on my shortcut. So it's going to jump right to my check calls. And let's take check call time, and let's click and drag it up to column number 3. I want the check call date to be column number 4. Okay. Then I want my carrier name. So I'm going to click on carrier to jump me over to my carrier info. I want my carrier name to appear in field 5. Now, we also have the ability to join different columns as well. So let's say I want my carrier name, I also want my carrier phone number, but I want both my carrier name and the carrier phone to be in the same field. Okay? So I'm just going to on join, which is on the far right-hand side, and then I want my carrier phone number, okay, which is here. Okay, that's all I want for my check call screen. So all I'm going to do is click on Save Page. Okay. I'm refreshing yet. I'll go over that in just a couple of seconds. I'm going to click on Save Page. Okay. So here is my check call page. Okay. Notice that the check call time is in column number 3, my check date, and then my carrier name and the phone number are combined into one column. Okay. You want to come in the morning and you want to go and pull up your check call screen. And what that's going to do is that's going to pull this up, and then you can see all of your active shipments, their latest check call time, date, and carrier name and phone number. Okay. And I'm just going to go to, let's say we also have a page called Tim's page. Okay, so any of the dispatchers have the ability to create their own pages, and it looks like Tim wants the ship date, the ship time, who the assigned dispatcher is on the load, customer name, and carrier name. Okay. I'm going to go into edit this page. Okay. We all have the use of colors. So over on the right-hand side, you can choose to highlight different columns and colors as well. Okay. To highlight a certain column in a color, you need to bookend, and I'll show you what I mean by that, the column with the color. So let's say that we also want on this page the miles. So I'm going to take the miles, and I'm going to put that here in 10. And I want that red, so I'm going to bookend, and I'm going to put red here, and I'm also going to put red on the other side as well. Okay. I'm going to make my customer mile screen red. Okay. Another thing that I wanted to go over, you also have the ability to have your different pages that you've created refresh between each other. Okay? So let's say that Tim wants his homepage designer or his homepage constantly refreshing between his check call page and the page that he calls Tim's page. Okay? In that case, we can set how many seconds we want the page to refresh, and we'll say every 180 seconds we have to refresh between Tim's page, and I'm going to choose from next page, and I'm going to choose check calls. I click on Save Page. Okay. Notice that my customer miles that I chose to highlight in red are now highlighted in red. And you see the countdown here at the top of the screen. Okay. And 167, 66, 65 seconds, it's counting down. It's going to refresh back to his check call page that he created, and again back to Tim's page. As our homepage designer, how to create pages and edit pages. Thank you.